So I'm back with another wig install slash review. So I got the Butta Lace Unit 2 in the color 1B. This is what she looks like. Yeah, she's out of the box and stuff like that because I did pluck her just a little bit. And this is the style that she comes in. So let's get into this install. Okay, y'all, so the first thing I did was just pin her up and cut the ear tabs. I'm not too worried about the ear tabs being cut perfectly because I'm not gonna be wearing it like that. Just worrying about this part here. So let's get into installing her. So I'm gonna take my scissors, cut 3 sections. Okay, y'all, so as I said, I cut me some sections up in here to help me lay the lace a little bit easier. I did apply some foundation as well. So again, like I said, I'm not caring too much about the ear tabs. I mean, I'm not going to be showing them. I'm just really worried about this part here. This is what I'm using, the Fantasia Mega Hold hairspray spritz. Same one I used in my last video. Yeah, so I just sprayed some of the spray on here. I don't know if y'all can see, but I sprayed some of the spray on there, trying to make sure it doesn't drip anywhere. But that spray is really good, y'all. It is really good. Okay, y'all, so I went ahead on and individually did every section that I had. So I took this wig band to melt that lace in, and I'm gonna just take a regular scarf and tie it on top of that wig band. And before I put on that wig band, I did go in and spray every section again. Okay, tie it tight. So you can go ahead on and either blow dry or let it air dry, but I'm gonna blow dry mine, y'all. So I'll be back once. Okay, y'all, so this one I just decided that I'm gonna do a voiceover. So basically I'm just cutting the sections. I'm gonna warn you, it's gonna look just a little crazy in the beginning, but towards the end you gotta trust the process. It was a whole lot going on. I couldn't really see like that, but I made it look so good at the end. Y'all have to just stay to the end to watch. It came out so bomb and so beautiful. And again, y'all, as I said, I'm not really caring too much about the side ear tabs. I do have the wig kind of tied up some with the hooks in the back, so I don't know if it's just, you know, the size of my head or the hooks being tied or strapped to the back of my head, but the ear tabs wasn't really fitting on me. So I was just worried about, you know, the temple pieces, the temple to temple pieces, just making sure that looks good. So right there, you see it looks really crazy. I just have to put more foundation on it, spray it in a little more, and it'll be okay. I promise you, just stay to the end, y'all. It's gonna come out cute. Just don't give up on me. So now y'all see me taking out some hair for the baby hairs, the edges and stuff. And it was a struggle with the baby hairs. So y'all didn't really see me on camera getting that swoop effect and how I, laid the hair and stuff because it was hard. It was complicated. I just had to go off the camera and lay the edges. Okay, so now y'all see me cutting my baby hairs, and then y'all gonna see me have a mini flat iron and curling the baby hairs as well. So I just took some of that Fantasia and just sprayed it onto the edge brush and swooped it, try to get it. As y'all see, I had to go off camera and get it together. And y'all seeing that the wig looks weird right now. I took a piece of tissue to kind of clean it up and stuff, and the tissue just got stuck on it. You'll see a little bit still left on my forehead because I didn't catch it or I didn't see it, but the wig came out cute. Now we going in with the hot comb. We getting everything flat as possible. We don't want any humps or lumps or anything like that. And, make sure y'all get the back because, we don't want any, lumps or humps. If you got to press that thing like I'm doing right now, please press it. Get it as flat as you possibly can. So there it goes. It's really starting to, look good, starting to look cute. I love this wig. I would buy it again. But I want to tell y'all, brush your wigs from the bottom to the top just to stop tangling because this wig kind of does tangle. So what I have in that bottle is dry shampoo. And then in that bottle was a fabric softener mixed with water. Works great for the wigs. So I just sprayed it on to try to get the tangles out, keep everything all nice, and dry shampoo just gives it a natural look. So y'all, this is how the wig came out. It came out so beautiful, so cute. I will buy it again. It's just so beautiful. It has this mature look to it. It's just easy and everything like that. But this is how the wig came out, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I will be coming back with more reviews and installs and everything like that. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you turn on the post notification bells so you won't miss a video, and comment anything that you want to see from me and stuff. Like, I'm thinking about doing fashion hauls and things like that. But anyway, y'all, this is how that wig came out. Came out really cute. But love y'all. See y'all in my next video.